Say bye, y'all. They leaving, everybody. Him is leaving. Bye, Eric. Bye, Tony. Bye, Gerard. Huh? Connie, you driving back?
It's Friday. Forget about the daily grind, because it's time to take back your weekend with Music Choice.
Boy, please don't take my phone charger. Bye, son. He didn't give me no hug.
Music Choice. Take back your music.
Be good. Put the Lord first. Eric, what time you got to be to work?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Bye, sister. Give me a hug.
Some tissue and stuff.
I look. No, y'all. This is what she do, y'all. She go take all our stuff.
Movie.
Lord have mercy. Bitch, when you say you go back to work?
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yeah.
All right. See y'all next time. Drive safely. No road rage. Put the Lord first in everything you do. I wish I was going. I hate they got to leave.
And catch critically acclaimed performances right from home.
Bye, Gerard.
A Perfect Man. We invent ways to get more from the entertainment you love. Time Warner Cable. Enjoy better. Did you know? TWC Central is the online destination to get the most out of your Time Warner.
They gone, y'all.
You can manage your email and account.
We'll see them next time.
Even chat about your favorite shows. Did you also know there are currently thousands of chatting abbreviations?
Bye, y'all.
To inform and settle an opinion. That's great. Okay.